Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to your quiz day. Hope you're having a good day, and I hope you do well on your quiz. Couple of notes. Make sure you have your assignment done for Monday, which is 6.5 and 6.6, practice and problem solving. On the cart next to my desk are extra notes for those of you that were gone yesterday if you want the notes, and make sure you get the assignment out of the extra bin in the back of the room if you haven't already done so. You'll also have an IXL assignment due on Monday. Mrs. Hart, or whoever your sub, I think it's Mrs. Hart, will give you that assignment after you're done with the quiz, or probably even before you start the quiz, so you can work on it if you finish early. Quizzes should be turned into the inbox along with the work stapled to the back. If I were you, I would be taking notes on this right now. You should have this quiz on your desk so that you know what I'm expecting you to do and what problems you should or should not be doing. So here we go, starting with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first 10 are just simply answers. You're answering all 10 of them. Follow the directions. No work needed on the first 10. Number 11, same thing. You're dealing with a percent, and you're going to have to convert it to a fraction. Again, just answer the question. Going down to the next set of questions for 6.2, which is estimating percents, we are going to skip number 12, 16, and 17. So no 12, no 16, no 17. You can skip those problems. For problem 13, problem 14, and problem 15, they should be on a separate sheet of paper. And here's what I want. I would like, first of all, to see your compatables. What were the two compatables you used to solve since we are estimating? So that's the first thing I'll be looking for. And then the second thing I'm going to be looking for is show how you estimated the answer. I know that seems funny that you're showing your estimating, but I want you to show how you estimated the answer. We did this in our assignments. Show me how you broke it up within your head. So for 13, 14, and 15, I'm looking for compatables, and then I'm looking for you to show how you got your estimate. Number 19 and number 20, we're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to show your compatables, and you're going to show how you estimated the answer for 19, 20. So 13, 14, 15, 19, and 20 all involved these two things on a separate sheet of paper. As you just saw, I crossed off 18. So we're missing 12, we're missing 14, we're missing 16, and we're missing 18. Okay. Flipping over to the back side, we have more estimating with percents, and we are going to skip 21, so that is the end of estimating with percents, so no 21. You are going to cross off 23, 25, and 27. 23, 25, 27, and also cross off 28. You do not need to do 23, 25, 27, and 28. 22, 24, and 26. I'm looking for two things. I'm looking for how you set up your problem to calculate it. And the second thing I'm looking for is an answer. So write the equation that you used to set up this, this, and this. Separate sheet of paper for 22, 24, and 26. We skipped 23, we skipped 25, we skipped 27, and we skipped 28. 29 should hit close to home. If you didn't get what I'm saying here, it's a joke. See, I'm even funny when I'm not here. At least I think so. I would like you to show me how you set up this problem. Actually, I want you to show me the setup of this problem with a proportion. So you are setting this problem up using a proportion. So you're setting one ratio equal to another ratio and then solving for the variable. So I need to see the setup in a proportion format. Again, the setup in a proportion format, and I need to see your work on how you solve for your variable. Okay, which looks like what percent of Minnesota is water. That's the variable. Okay? So set up again with a proportion. That is the only way I'm going to give you credit is if you set it up with a proportion, which we did a lot in the last couple of days, and then show your work. Okay, when you're solving for the missing variable. Moving down, number 30, 31, 32, and 33. We are going to do 30, 31, 32, and 33. I am looking for, on 30, 31, 32, and 33, I'm looking for the equation, and you should be able to solve for a variable by showing your work if you write the equation correctly. 18 is 22.5% of what number? That is your equation. Write it. So I'm looking for you to write it, showing your understanding of the word is, showing your understanding of the word of, showing your understanding of the missing variable, and then the work, which we've been doing all year to solve. So 30, 31, 32, and 33 all involve work and an equation. So equation, work, answer. 34 we're skipping, and 35 is going to be very similar to 29. On 35, I would like you to set this problem up. So you're going to set it up with a proportion. Set this problem up with a proportion. Show your work to solve for the variable. Show your work to solve to get your final answer. Pay attention to the directions. The nearest tenth of a mile. How fast is the bicycle moving? So again, set up with the proportion. You're going to have a ratio equal to another ratio. Your challenge for both 29 and for 35 is to figure out what those ratios are that are set equal to one another for your proportion. Solve for the missing piece of information. Good luck. We will correct this again on Monday when I return. We should be able to finish this in the time allotted to you.